We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Autocad software.
Hi friends, welcome to our video. Today we will discuss about block and insert command in Autocad. Blocks are the collection of geometries that act as a single object. Some of the blocks are realistic representation of objects and some are symbols. The use of blocks in Autocad is it can be used in a drawing repeatedly. If you modify a block, all its reference copies are changed automatically. These functions makes our drawing more faster and easier. Let's move to the video to know more about how to create a block and insert into the current drawing. Here I draw a top view of a chair. This is the object I want to convert into a block. For active the command block, type B in command box. Now a dialog box is open. First here we enter the name of the block. Using this name we identify that block from the insert list. Next we specify the base point of the block. Here we have two methods. One is by picking or enter the x, y, z coordinate of the base point. Here I use pick point method. Just click on that icon and select a base point on an object. Next we select the object you want to block. And press enter. We have three options here. One is retain. If you use this option, the selected object are retained as a distinct object in the drawing after you creating the block. Next one is convert to block. If you use this option, the selected object convert into a block after you creating the block. Third and last one is delete. If you use the delete option, delete the select object from the drawing after you creating the block. Here I choose convert to block option. Next I tick on the option allow exploding. If you not tick on this option, you can't explode your block. Finally, click on OK. Now the block is ready and now it's act as a single selected object. Next we learn how to repetitively insert this block into our drawings. For this we use insert command. Insert command is used to insert blocks into the current drawing. For activating insert command, type I in command box. Now insert dialog box is open. Here we can see the icon of your block that we create. Before inserting this block to the drawing, we have some insertion options there. First one is Insertion Point. Click on this option. You can specify the insertion point of your block in the drawing. Second one is Scale. Click on this option for scale your block after inserting. I just show a demo. After inserting, they ask to enter the scale factor. Here I enter the scale factor in x-axis is 0.5 and y-axis is 0.5. Now we get a scaled block. Next option is Rotation. I tick on this option, then Insert. After inserting, you can rotate this object in any angle. They ask to specify the rotation angle. Here I give an angle of 45. Now the chair is inserted in 45-degree angle. Next one is Repeat Placement. That means in normal case we can insert only one block at a time. If you want the same block, we again go to Insert and repeat the process. But after tick on this option, you can insert multiple copies of your blocks. Then last one is Explode. This option is used after inserting this block. It will automatically explode. Next we learn how to edit a block. For editing a block, just double click on it. Now block editor dialog box is open. Just click on OK. Now we enter the block editor. Screen. Here I delete this line from the drawing and save this block. Now you can see the line is deleted from the all its reference copies. So we can easily edit our drawing when we use blocks. Okay guys, thank you for watching these videos. Please support our videos.